In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the high level of support that we have, which is the help library. So the way to get access to the help library is this question mark here. Now, this specific question mark here is going to open up a tab. So let's click on this. And it's going to open up what we call the help library. Now, the help library is going to be all the, like a video archive of different videos that really breaks down how to do something inside of the software, okay? Now, we're consistently updating the software and we're consistently updating the help library. So to get access to a team member, you can contact our development team here by clicking Contact Us, and you can click the button and select the most appropriate topic. So for example, if you had a bug in the software, okay, you can change your answer, and maybe you have a question about how a feature works, okay? Now, it's important that you answer this correctly so that way it gets the message that you're writing gets forwarded to the right team member, okay? And the last topic is going to be, I'm trying to do something inside the software and I'm not sure how the software can help. So if you're looking to accomplish something, then you can type in the request here, put your email address, you're going to get an email from our team, and you can communicate moving forward via email to that team member. Okay, so someone from the help library, the help team is going to address that question. All right. So let's say, for example, we have these articles here. So let's say we want to understand more about the forms. So you may want to learn how to locate the forms inside of your dashboard. Maybe you want to learn how to customize a form. Now, the great thing about it is that we have these videos. So check out this video here.
In this video, we will be showing you how to customize a form or survey. The process is similar for both forms and surveys, so I will be showing you how to do this within the form builder. You can customize into a hyperlink.
So we have these videos here that breaks down what you need, whatever question that you're having, to really guide you through. So the recordings that I'm currently doing are really to introduce you to the platform and share with you about the key features. But to learn about something specific, you're gonna bring that attention to the help library. Now, this is the keyword finder. And what the keyword finder is gonna do is gonna go through all of these articles here, and it's gonna search specific keywords. So like, for example, if I type in calendar, okay? So if I type in calendar, okay, so when I type in the word calendar, it's going to find the keyword in all the articles and share with you information about the calendar. So let's say, for example, you want to connect Zoom and calendar. So we can type calendar, Zoom, and then that's going to come up. The first thing that comes up is Zoom integration. And I share with you, one of our team members shares with you in the video how to connect your Zoom calendar. Okay, so you'll scroll down and you'll be able to go ahead and learn how to connect to Zoom in the calendar. Okay, so this is going to be a high level of support for you, a high level of support where our team is going to communicate back and forth with you if you can't find it. So to recap out of this, remember, in any instance, so let's say, for example, you're saying, hey, I want to go to connect Instagram. So, and you're like, hey, I know Andy told me about Instagram, or I know I heard about Instagram somewhere. Let me see how do I find Instagram, how to connect Instagram. So you type in Instagram. Now you see the different steps on how to, of course, accomplish that. Okay, so you see the different steps here where it's teaching you where to go, how to get to the integrations tab and how to connect your Instagram account here. Okay, so if you have any questions about the software, the first place to go is going to be the help library. So you're going to click on help library in this question box here. Go back to the main page. And you're going to type in a keyword that is revolving about what you're wanting to share. So it might be about the opportunities board. And you want to get an overview about the opportunities board, which is right here. So you can watch this video. You can learn how to add an opportunity, how to manage the opportunities, and so forth here. If this response is not good enough for you and you need something a little bit more detailed, then you're going to answer one of these questions and you're going to choose the most accurate topic. And then you're going to talk more about the actual request. Now, it's really important that you go into complete detail, because After you submit the request, it's going to go to a team member via email, and they're going to get the request, then they're going to email you back. If you're not 100% clear and completely in-depth, then what's going to happen is that they're going to ask you a question, then you're going to respond back with an answer. You're going to go back and forth. It's going to take a lot of time. So what I invite you to do is use a software called Loom. Okay, now Loom. So you're going to go to loom.com. Okay, and in loom.com, it actually logged me into my workstation, but you're going to click on Record a Loom. And what Loom is going to do, let me just go to google.com and kind of share with you about Loom. It's a video platform. Let me just do this, loom.com. Now what Loom is, it's a video platform that allows you to record. So in this example, this person here is recording their screen, showing whatever they want to show. You can highlight specific things, and then this button here allows you to stop the recording. And then what happens is it instantly turns into a link. Oh, I love how they have it there. It instantly turns into a link. So the software records your screen, whatever is on your screen. So it could be your desktop, the whole entire thing. It instantly turns it into a link that can be shared online by anyone. And then you can share that link to anyone that you want to share that to. So what I would suggest is that you use loom.com. Okay, you use loom.com and you express your frustration or concern or question inside of a Loom video. So you might be recording a Loom like this. Hey, I'm looking to connect my Instagram to the software, and how would I do that? So this is what I did. I went to settings and I can't find it anywhere. What would I do to find Instagram? So that's an example. And then you would just type it up here. Type your question here as well. And then whatever your question is, and then insert Loom here. So the link is going to end up looking like this, loom.com. When you complete your Loom video, it's going to end up looking like this. That's going to be what yours Loom is going to look like. Now, when our team member clicks on the Loom, they can actually watch your screen, not the pre-recorded video. So it's not going to be like a live version of your screen. It's going to be a pre-recorded video that you used using Loom. So you can do that. That is an option and an alternative. The next alternative is that you can take a screenshot of your screen. So if you have a MacBook, it's pretty easy for you to take a screenshot. If you have Apple, if you have a Windows, depending on your computer, it could be challenging. But if you can take a screenshot, you can actually upload it as a file right there to show what you were looking at on your screen. So you may have a specific question about a portion of the software. You may have a specific question about how you can accomplish something in the software. Well, you want to upload as much information as possible so that way the response that you get is the complete answer, instead of getting the response of being a question. So instead of one of my team members sending you a question and saying, hey, can you give me a little bit more information? You want the answer, the response, to be the actual answer for your solution. So you're going to put your information here, and then you're going to put your email. Now, the email that you're going to put must be the same email that is in your company email. So it's either going to be your company email or your staff email. So you got to put the same email that is typically in your company email. That's going to be the easiest because it allows us to find your account in the most easiest way. All right. So, but in here we have such an amazing breakdown of tools to share with you, different videos in our video archive that lets you know how to integrate your Facebook, how to integrate your Stripe account. So the go-to that I usually tell our clients is that if you ever have to ask, how do I insert whatever whatever feature you're looking for, how do I X, before you press the contact us button, type that in here. Okay, you can also ask the question. So for example, how do I connect my Facebook? Okay, and then here we have the different options that use the keyword for Facebook. And then, okay, we see that this answer, how to integrate your Facebook, and it breaks it all down here. Okay, it breaks it all down here. So you can ask your question anytime you learn about any feature inside of the software. Be sure to use the help library. Now, if you have a question specific about billing, okay, the billing questions are not going to go through Contact Us. The billing questions are going to go to support@progreda.com. Once again, that's support@progreda.com. So, for example, here, let me just type it in for you. It's going to be support@progreda.com. If you have any billing questions, it's going to go to support@progreda.com for any billing. So if you have questions about changing your credit card, things of that nature, just email support@progreda.com. So once again, to recap in here, if you're looking for support, the first place to go to is the help library. Help library will have the video archives breaking down almost every element of the software, and this is continually being updated as we implement new products into the software or new features into the software, as well as if the keyword finder can't help you, right? So whatever you're looking for in the keyword finder. So for example, you might be looking up information about how to create a form, and if the video is not good enough, if the detailed breakdown is not good enough, then the next element is going to be Contact Us, where you'll determine if you had a bug. So this will go to our development team. If you have a question about a specific portion of the features, or if you're looking to accomplish something in the app and you want to find out how to do it, then you'll click this. When you do press go through the Contact Us feature, be sure to be as detailed as possible, explaining what you have done before to try to solve the situation or to try to figure it out, as well as in clear detail what you're looking to accomplish. So that way, instead of our response being a question for us to get more information, our response will be the actual answer to fix your challenge that you may have had. Okay, so I just wanted to give you a clear understanding of what that looks like. Here is going to be the go-to for any help that you may have inside of the software.